Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. Firstly, you should open settings, then you should go to the storage section. Here you should switch from this device to SD card, tap on three dots and select format. Then you can select output file format, so I suggest you to use this suggestion. Tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.